Have you fallen in love with outdoor cooking? I have too. I've gone a little crazy. And when the opportunity came for me to be able to review a full stainless, I mean completely stainless prep table that I could leave outside here in Florida, I was like, yeah, let's do this review. So here it is. We're going to put this together, set it up, do a review of it. I can tell you right off the bat, I want to start off by showing you something that I really appreciate about this company. Some might think I'm crazy, but this is styrofoam, not just styrofoam, but it's encapsulated in plastic, which is so much nicer. I just don't like when I open up the packages and the white stuff starts flying out all over the place, especially when you're outdoors. This is so smart, and I really appreciate that. It speaks to quality for me, right? Somebody has to really care about their product, how it's being presented if they're gonna do this. So let's put it together, see what the completed product looks like. Okay, this is exactly what the doctor or the chef ordered. This is amazing. The construction is great. It is super duper solid. Has fully adjustable feet with rubber on the bottom, so nice and stable. It comes with that blue protective film all over it. I will say, interestingly, the bottom one was nicely trimmed and all that kind of stuff, easy to remove. This top one had clearly been on here for a while and the edges weren't trimmed, so the largest and longest part of this project was taking that film off. But it looks amazing. I mean, it obviously serves its purpose. It is true that it is all stainless steel construction, so it shouldn't rust or anything like that. Obviously, stainless still does rust eventually, so living out here, especially if like I look at this and I'm like, this would be a great bait station or next to your dock for cleaning your fish or something like that. This would be amazing. If it's saltwater, it's going to discolor and eventually rust, but much slower than any regular steels or iron. This is stainless steel, real, full, all stainless steel. It did come a little before I was ready, so I have a larger awning coming, and this is going to replace this black piece here, and it'll be between the two stainless steel units, and this will be like this perfect outdoor kitchen. I'm very excited about it. You could certainly use it in a commercial kitchen, obviously, as well. There are about 100 zillion things that you could use it for. I'm gonna have to hide it to make sure Nikki doesn't steal it for her pottery, because I am sure this would be amazing for crafting on. Anyway, enough amazing things about it. Easy to install, assemble, very flexible. You can move that bottom shelf up or down. The feet are also adjustable, so it will never rock and move around. Yeah, 100%. I would definitely recommend this. Hope this was helpful. It is hot out here in Florida. I'll see you next time.